My Jewishness is all wrapped up in the language, in the Yiddish. We were secular Jews, and we couldn't have been more Jewish. Yiddish was spoken at home, but only by my parents. And this is something that sort of troubled me later, that my parents would speak to us in Yiddish and we would answer in English. And I know this happened among many families, but there was something wrong about it in our family. We should have been talking Yiddish, we should have been speaking Yiddish, and we didn't. And we weren't really encouraged to. I always thought it had something to do with wanting us to be comfortable in the larger community, in the larger culture. And I think there was that to it. But it also had to do with some kind of rejection, I think. I don't really know. But it's very troublesome because it hurt me. It really hurt me. I was embarrassed. I was uncomfortable. I felt inadequate. I felt, what's wrong with me that I'm not speaking Yiddish? But these are all things and feelings I have in retrospect, but it was there. It was very much there. And so I wasn't part of the, my father's friends or people that we knew where the children spoke Yiddish to their parents, and we didn't. It's a puzzle to me. I really don't understand it. And I have a feeling it might have to do with the death of his child. I was talking to my sister about it the other day, about his poetry, which I know very little about. I've read some, I've read translations. There was at least a couple of poems to Chernala, his daughter. There's never been a poem to me or my sister. And again, I mean, so what? I never thought about it until now. And it's interesting because he was very devoted, but really left our upbringing and well, he had a lot to do with it, obviously, but school and stuff was all through my mother. My mother was the one who sort of went to school meetings or that kind of thing. And we never talked about Yiddish. I'm perfectly comfortable in Yiddish. I don't read that well because I just don't read, and it bothers me. And speaking, I don't really speak Yiddish the way it should be spoken. I love to hear Yiddish spoken well. It really just makes me feel so good. But I don't have a natural way of speaking Yiddish, and that bothers me. When I hear people speaking Yiddish well, it's just, I really love it. And that's my Jewishness, is the language.